Netizen shares SB19 struggle story back in 2018. One netizen shared this on the Blue app and said, yung friend ko na crew ng 7-Eleven dati kung saan sila building nagtitraining, kinukwento niya na customer daw niya ang SB19. Magkakasabay silang kumain pag break nila. Tapos madalas daw isang cup noodle lang bibilhin nila tapos 3 silang maghahati-hati. Pag ice cream naman, 2 silang naghahati sa isang cornetto. Now, this is just one of their struggle stories dahil alam nating in the first few years of their career ay halos wala silang kinikita. Pero ni minsan hindi mo makikita sa kanila mga mukha ang pagod at paghihirap. They remained hopeful and faithful to their dream. And look at them now. Siguradong these 5 boys back in 2018 didn't had an inkling that they would be this big in 2025, that they would be named the P-Pop Kings, and that they would have the most solid and dedicated fandom beside them. At siguradong hindi nila in-expect that they would be able to fill up the largest indoor arena in the country, selling out more than 100,000 tickets. At ang mas nakakabilib pa, despite the fame and wealth, they remained kind and full of faith just like when they started. Ika nga nila, mata sa langit, paa sa lupa.